If you want to properly hide the photos that are present in the photo gallery of your iPhone, then open Photos application at first. Then you can go to the folder, tap on Select. After that, select the photos that you want to hide. Then tap on this icon at the bottom here. After that, select the option Hide, and again tap on this option Hide for photos. Now the photos are hidden from the folder. But if I go back and if I scroll down, there is an option here, Utilities, and there is Hidden Album under Utilities. If I open it, then I can see all the hidden photos. So what you should do is you should have to hide this hidden album from Utilities also. So for that one, we will go to Settings, we will scroll down, Photos, then there is an option here, Hidden Album. So what we have to do is we have to disable this option, and if I go to Albums now, if I scroll down, I won't be able to see the hidden album under Utilities. So this is how you can properly hide the photos in iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.